I am assuming that you already have downloaded and installed the Opera web browser. Click on the Settings button. Click Settings. And then find the heading VPN and turn it on. A badge appears in the address and search bar. Click on it to view information, including the current IP address. If I change this to, for example, Asia, I will surf the web with a fake Asian IP address. The web pages that I visit will think that I sit in, for example, Singapore and not Sweden, where I'm actually sitting at the moment. Now, what is all this and how does it work? All computers have IP addresses. And when you visit a website, such as a newspaper or whatever, they will know your geographical location based on that IP address, which in turn might filter some or all of the content. At the time of this recording, I cannot read the content on certain news sites in the United States because I have an European IP address. This will perhaps be fixed in the future, but right now these sites are blocked for me. And this is what happens if I visit the same place with my Opera web browser. Each time you surf the web with Opera, you will have a new, unique, temporary, fake, foreign IP address. All the web pages that you visit will think that you're sitting in another country, although you physically remain where you are. Technically, it's a small but free built-in VPN, and it seems to work fairly good. You are hiding your true IP address with a so-called proxy. It might slow down your internet connection because you are, after all, surfing the web via other computers that are positioned around the globe.